your Master Astrophiles 7 and today I will explain how to draw the solar system. So let's begin. How to draw the solar system. Sketching Cosmic Creations by Ivan Mishra. Let's embark on a otherworldly journey through the solar system. And here we go. You have to follow some steps how to draw the solar system. Now let's begin. Step 1. Draw the sun. At the bottom left corner of your drawing area, draw a large half circle. This will depict the sun. Step 2. Add the solar system rings. Continue drawing the curving line pattern leading to the furthest top right corner. Question number 3. Draw each of the planets in your solar system drawing, overlapping each of the previously drawn solar system rings. Draw each of the planets on each ring according to their size and shape. Step 4. Add color to the sun. Employ a finely pointed brush and yellow paint to uniformly cover the sun. Step 5. Cover the rest of the planets. Begin this step by utilizing a fine pointed brush to apply gray paint to Mercury and Neptune. Following that, employ khaki paint to color Venus and Saturn, blue paint for Earth and Neptune, and orange paint for Mars. Proceed with the fine sharp brush to paint Jupiter using tan paint, and for Uranus, opt for a light blue hue. It is called an ice giant. Step 6. Begin to color blend the sun. Using a compact, gentle brush along with orange paint, apply a secondary coat of color to the sun's edges. Repeat this process utilizing white paint for the sun's central area. Subsequently, employ a blending brush to create a seamless transition between the coats. Conclude this step by labeling it as the sun. Step 7. Detail Venus in your solar system drawing. Utilize a precise, sharp brush and a deeper khaki hue to incorporate a series of curved brush strokes encircling the planet, allowing glimpses of the initial color layer to remain visible. Employ a small soft brush and white paint to delicately introduce highlights in the planet's central region. Conclude this state by designating it as Venus, that is the hottest of all. Step 8. Begin to detail Earth. With the aid of precise, sharp brush and green paint, incorporate the contents onto Earth. Then applying this process using black paint to create gentle shading along the edges. Conclude this phase by labeling it as the Earth, that is our home planet. Step 9. How to draw planets. Detail Mercury. Utilize a precise, sharp brush along with a deeper gray shade to outline Mercury with a textured effect. Duplicate this process with white paint to introduce gentle highlights. Employ a blending brush to refine and soften the tones. Conclude the stage by labeling it as Mercury, that's the smallest planet. Step 10. Detail Mars. With a precise brush and dark orange paint and several pattern lines leading inwards from the surrounding edges of the planet. Switching to a soft brush and black paint, add a gentle shadow to the planet. Complete the step by labeling Mars, that's the red planet. Step 11. Add detail to Saturn. With the aid of a fine sharp brush and a darker khaki hue, incorporate delicate ring patterns encircling the planet. Repeat this step using white paint, extending the process to encompass the outer ring. Utilize a small soft brush and black paint to introduce subtle shading. Finalize the stage by affixing the label Saturn, that has famous rings. Step 12. Detail Jupiter in a solar system drawing. Commence by applying a precise sharp brush and brown paint to incorporate multiple ring lines at distinct regions of the planet. Redo this process using a tint of white and sand yellow to paint to introduce supplementary texture lines. Allowing the initial color layer to peek through between these lines, utilize a blending brush to seamlessly merge the coats. Conclude this phase by designating it as Jupiter. That's the largest planet. Step 13. Detail Uranus. Begin this step with a sharp brush and a darker shade of blue paint and add fine texture lines within the planet. Repeat this process using white paint with a softer brush. Begin to add gentle highlights along the center of the planet. Complete this step by labeling Uranus. That was the first planet discovered by using a telescope. And step 14. Add detail to the last planet, Neptune. With a compact gentle brush and black paint, introduce shading along the planet's edges. Repeat this step with white paint to apply a gentle highlight to the central area. Utilize a precise, sharp brush and teal paint to fill the encircling ring. Clear out excess areas or fill them in with white. Finalize the stage by labeling it as Neptune. Now, step 15. Finalize your stunning solar system drawing. Employ a precise, sharp. To finish off a drawing tutorial on how to draw the planets, begin to remove any remaining visible outlines. If needed, utilize a precise, sharp brush along with the appropriate colors to meticulously trace the outlines. Now, we will take a screenshot and let's go to the photos. Let's erase Neptune's rings because the seventh planet, Uranus, doesn't have rings at all. So I'm gonna erase Neptune's rings. Now I'm gonna erase Pluto, which is considered as not a planet. Oh. Well, it's fine. Oh no! I'm gonna erase Neptune's rings again. Jupiter should have a giant red. No, I think this is much better. That. Yes. Let's crop it. What?